Giving women access to marital property is one of the best solutions to empowerment of women materially and within marriage itself and generally as well.
With our technical partners, the Women in Law Initiative and Musawa, we were working with them with the hopes that we can get on this bandwagon so that we can create a critical mass of such jurisprudence that is progressive, that speaks of an equitable distribution.
A women's attaining property is essential for her economic empowerment and agency, but the challenges of litigation are sometimes very, very overwhelming.
निकाह is a contract, और contract जो है वो दो बराबर के लोगों के दरमियान होता है।
तो राइट्स बुनियादी तौर पे तीन चीज़ों के लिए होते हैं। राइट प्रोटेक्शन के लिए होता है, राइट्स आर आल्सो फॉर द एम्पावरमेंट, राइट्स आर आल्सो फॉर द गुड्स एज वेल।
In our code for the women, there are 99.99% men are here to claim their wife's right. But most of them, they deny right of inheritance for their own sisters.
Existing laws के implementation जो है वो हर वक्त हमारे लिए पड़ जाए। बेशक ये अल्लाह का बनाया हुआ कानून है, लेकिन जो रियासतें और स्टेट्स जब इसको पहचान लें और इसके ऊपर लॉज लेकर आए तो ये एक बहुत बड़ा इनिशिएटिव है, खास तौर पे वुमेन रिलेटिंग किसी भी प्रॉपर्टी के लिए।
50% almost gets solved by resolution among the parties. It's amazing how fast the narrative changes when you have an empowered national institution or a provincial institution working on a state institution.
In 16,000 cases, you're hopping from one district to the other. So even the short circuit procedure is not short, so to speak, especially with property cases.
आप जैसे ही कोई शादी हो, वो उसकी रजिस्ट्रेशन हो, एसेट्स डिक्लेयर हो उसमें और पूरी अथॉरिटी हो।
I'd like to tell you about the story of a lady called Tahira Bibi. She's now 98 years old. And she was widowed in 1961. For 64 years, she has been fighting, now 65, fighting for her right to inheritance of her deceased husband's property.
That this is not just a woman's issue, and please do not take it so. It is a human rights issue, and by ensuring that women have equal access to matrimonial property, we are basically promoting economic stability, social justice and the overall well-being of our communities.
तो हमें थोड़ा बहुत एजुकेट लोगों को करना है और अपने बच्चों को करना है, ख़ास तौर पर कि हमारे बच्चे जो हैं वो इस बात को रियलाइज़ करें कि एक बच्ची जो है वो बड़ी अहम चीज़ होती है, हमें उसको रिस्पेक्ट करना चाहिए।